Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jesme Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create these three different kinds of handmade pattern paper at home very easily. So, color pens, pencil, eraser, scale and some sort of sketch pens. So let's get started. Now I am going to show you this hand pattern paper. Let's take a